everyone! I made some progress on the convention place. Okay, so I just want to show off because I think it's kind of cool. One of the features we were thinking about having have the players be able to add merchandise in their booths, so people would just buy items from there. And part of that can go into that part of that we get a cut from every sale for that. So I figured this is a good way to do fundraising in case we want to increase the winning pool of the game. Anyways, I just saw it. What I do is right now, you see this mannequin here without a head. Well, if you go up to it, yep, you get this UI here, and it'll tell you, to press E to purchase, and it's like 5 Robux. So let's press E. Yep, and if you press E, you can buy the shirts down here. You can also buy the pants. So you can notice it's highlighting the shirt if you hover over the shirt, and it will highlight the pants if you hover over the pants. And if you press E here as well, obviously you'll see the purchase prompt. Now, it's not just a mannequin, because you can have it. So you can have these items hanging on these hangers, and you can browse and go through and peruse each of these items one by one, and you can also buy them too, like this. All right. Now, this is kind of a basic one. If you guys know what morphs are, if you go over this, that doesn't work. But the idea is that you gotta go up to this, and it will automatically change your costumes. Anyways, how this works? I apologize. I'm a little bit runny. I haven't runny nose today. Okay, so how this works is, well, in Roblox there's something called collection service, which allows you to put tags on instances or objects in Roblox, and it kind of allows you to kind of organize stuff better. And in this case, we have something called a sale, like a clothing sale. So if there's a model that has sellable clothing, or a clothing that you can that's being sold, you can add this tag in. It's really as simple as adding this plus sign here and just adding blah 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 add there. However, if you want to make it more easier and more visual, there's a plugin called instance tagging, and you can enable this, and you can select an object, and you see in this a corner here, you just enable and disable it to add whether or not the tag is there. There we go. And the same thing is done for here. Well, you'll notice that this is these two models are vastly different. For this one is just a rig without a head, so its immediate children has the pants and shirts, but not the case for these racks here. In fact, it has this basic model here, and then it has each of these clothings, which is its own mannequin. It just slightly thinned out, so it looks like clothing. And these have the parts and the pants and the shirts. Now, I need to mention that this script, I had a problem where, fun fact, when you paste the catalog link into a shirt template or pants template, it actually doesn't save it as the link. It actually converts it to something called an asset ID. The thing about asset IDs and catalog IDs is that if you use the marketplace service, which allows you to buy stuff on the marketplace, for Roblox Marketplace, these links are not the same. The asset links, the asset IDs are not sellable. The catalog ID is sellable. So there's not an easy way to convert the Roblox asset ID into a catalog ID or vice versa, because you need to have an asset ID for the shirt templates to display it, but you need to have the catalog ID to sell it. So you can't have both. You can't have both for just one link. So what you have to do is under here, you need to have this. You need to have this content ID and paste the numerical value here. And paste the numerical value of the marketplace ID. So the thing that you link to your clothing where you can buy the stuff in here. Meanwhile, you need to have the asset ID for the shirts. Now, all you need to have is the market link ID, right? Just paste the numbers here and just paste the numbers here as well. And for the shirts, it'll automatically change it. So that's easy. But yeah, when I released it and allow people to sell this is going to be a thing that might trip people up. So I just want to clarify that, right? I want the process to be a lot more smoother. All you have to do is go to the link to this shirts, the clothing you want to sell, and make sure it is sellable, right? This does not work if it is closed. But good thing is that if you add a clothing which is not on sale, you can change it on your account. But you need to be careful to make sure you have the correct content ID and shirt on here. and I will report to you if I find this. And so I'll demand a fix from you. All right. Thank you. That is all.